Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your monthly sessions and page views in GA4 Google Analytics. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Analytics, I need you to click the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, by tracking internal search terms, you gain visibility into what users are specifically looking for into your website or app. This helps you understand user intent and the topics or products that are most relevant to your audience. Analyzing internal search terms allows you to identify gaps in your content, and of course, you can discover topics or products that users are searching for but not finding, enabling you to create or optimize content to meet their needs. Now, for us to be able to do that, we need to click on the report, and from here, the next step is, now make sure you have selected the GA property here, GA4 property, and then I need you to click the Customize report, and from here, you should be able to get an insights. For example, if you wanted to, you should be able to see the page by views widget here. If you don't have it, I need you to click the add to cart, and you can add it manually on the report. All right. After that, all I have to do is it'll be uploaded here, and you can simply drag this to the very top if you wanted. All right. For example, this one. And after that, all you have to do is click on save. All right. Now, after saving that, the next option that you can do is, now after doing that, the next thing that you need to do is again, go to the reports and make sure you are on the GA4 correct property details. And from there, you would be able to see the insights for your monthly sessions and page views. And from here, you can, of course, select the date range. For example, that's going to be like the last 30 days, and you would be able to see all the information from there. And as you can see, monitoring your monthly sessions and page views help you access the overall performance of your website or app over time. It provides insight into how many users are interacting with their site and how often they are accessing your content. Tracking monthly sessions and page views here, for example, in this one, allows you to identify trends and patterns in user behavior. And of course, you can observe growth trends, seasonal variations, or changes in engagement levels, which can inform your marketing and content strategies. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.